One other thing to show you, after you replace your new valve cores, always check them. So you could take like refrigerant oil, or let me zoom in here, and you could put a little bit, you can see I already put some on here, but you put it over your valve core right there and you look for any bubbles coming up. So you see, there you go, it's completely coated, it's no bubbles coming up, so you know there's no leak. And just because you put a new valve core in there or you tightened the old one doesn't mean it's not leaking. So always, before you put the cap back on, double check your work, do it a second time. For that extra 10 seconds, a comeback is not worth it. Remember, it's the reputation of your shop, it's the quality of your work, and that's what does better advertising than any flyers, business cards, socializing, you know, your networking, any kind of advertisement at all. The quality of your work, no comebacks. And something most bosses who are just bean counters and go to those seminars that guarantee you how to make 1,000 extra % by sales, advertising. The clueless SOBs, I don't know. I just want to take them out and throat slit them out in a parking lot and use them as a piñata, because they're the most low-life, scum-sucking pieces of shit on the face of the planet. I'm going off on a rant. Sorry, guys. All right, I'll catch you guys later. And another successful one, don't skip any procedures, except when you want to take a chance yourself and redo it. That's up to you. But nothing that's going to leave your shop. When those tail lights leave, you know you recorded every piece of data, you data logged it, you had a before and after, and you always can show it to the customer or the shop that messed it up before it got to you, and show what they did and why it wasn't working good, and then you can data log and prove what you did and why it is working right. There's a lot of those guys out of there, and we got to either educate the ones who haven't been educated, or we have to eradicate them and just get them out of this industry. All right, see you guys. Everyone do a better job. We're learning every day. Whatever knowledge you learn, pass it on to somebody else, and let's make this trade better. See you guys.